When it's time to clean the carriage scale and replace the air filter, or you get a D197 error message, a message is displayed on the control panel. This is the printer maintenance kit. The air filter kit includes an air filter and special cleaning wipes. To prevent damage, use only Epson cleaning fluid and wipes. Always wear protective eyewear and gloves. Turn the printer off. Open the printer cover. You don't need to clean the area behind the printhead. Wet the supplied wipe with the cleaning fluid. Make sure the wipe is not dripping. Hold the carriage scale on the left. With the moistened wipe, clean the scale using short, 2-inch movements. Do not pull the carriage scale with excessive force. If too much force is used, the right end may detach. Complete the cleaning by using a dry wipe. Replace the air filter. Push the tab on the air filter and lift to remove it. Insert the new air filter by sliding the tabs into the holder and click it into place. Close the printer cover.